Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in this series on system of equations or simultaneous equations. In the last video, I showed you how to solve this particular system of equations. In this video, I am going to show you a new method of solving these equations. Now, warning that this method is slightly complicated and uh, difficult, advanced, so you may not need to use this method every time, but this is important to understand if you are going to do more advanced mathematics in solving systems of equations. And this method called Cramer's rule comes in really handy when we are solving problems with many variables and many sets of equations. So in advanced engineering and science, we go into situations where you have many variables and many equations, and then further in computer science, in solving methods using computers, this method is very important. So to understand the principle, it is important to know this. Some new terms, some new concepts that will be used here will be matrices, will be matrix, and determinant. So what is a matrix? So if you look at this equation, we can make a matrix out of it. And the way we make a matrix out of it is like this. We look at the coefficients of x and y, 5, -2, 9, 7, and we write them over here, 5, -2, 9, and 7. All right. And then we calculate a determinant of it. All right. That determinant is denoted by a capital D, and it is obtained by multiplying this number with this number minus this number multiplied by this number. So 5 times 7 minus -2 times 9. So that is 5 times 7, 35, minus -18, which is plus 18. 35 plus 18 is 53. So this is the determinant. Okay. Now, if we want to calculate the value for x, we make a different kind of matrix and calculate its determinant. All right. To make this matrix, what we do is, since x is the first variable that appears here, so what we do is we replace the numbers in the first column with the numbers on the right hand side. We replace these numbers by these numbers. So 5, 9 becomes 5, 62. And here this remains the same, -2, 7. Now we calculate a determinant. This one we call dx. This is again 5 times 7, right? Minus -2 times 62. So 35 minus -2, minuses make a plus, and 62 times 2 is 124. 124 plus 35 is 159. If you saw the previous video, you can probably see where this is going. Now, to find the value of x, the rule is that, let me make a little space over here for this. X is equal to dx over d. All right, dx is 159 and d is 53. 159 divided by 53 gives us 3, and that is the answer. X is equal to 3. Now, in order to find the value of y, this is what we do. We keep the first column the same, but we replace the second column with the right hand side, 5, 62. And we calculate a determinant. 5 times 62 minus 5 times 9. What is that? Let's take the 5 out common, out of the bracket, and inside we have 62 minus 9. 62 minus 9 is 53. 5 times 53. Let's keep it like that. Instead of multiplying it, you will see what is the benefit of it. So now y is equal to dy over d, 5 times 53 divided by d, which is 53. So 53 and 53 cancel, giving us the answer that y is equal to 5. So this is the solution of system of equations using the Cramer's rule. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe our channel to be updated about new tricks and techniques for solving system of equations and other algebraic and geometric equations. Thank you.